Okay guys, let's have a go at 21 then. U over v again. The top bit's a function of a function, the bottom bit's x squared, so that shouldn't be a problem. So we have to be a bit careful with the top bit. It's u equals x plus 1 to the third, v equals x squared, so du dx then. And we need dv dx, don't we? Put these pieces in the jigsaw and see what we get. So, dv dx is easy, that's 2x to the power 1. Now this is something to the third, it's a power rule, we differentiate then, the third comes down, third of the something to the one less than the third, which is minus 2/3, multiplied by the something differentiated, and that differentiates to 1 with a 0, so it's just 1. So, dy dx then, let's see what we get, see if we need to tidy it up. V du dx, so I'll front load the x squared with the 3, and put x plus 1 to minus 2/3. That's v du dx minus u dv dx. So again, I'll put the 2x at the front of this product, x plus 1 to the third, over v squared. Okay, underneath power u times, that's going to be x to the 4. Remember, power u times. There's the rule, just for reference sake. Whoops. Okay, power u times. So this will be 4. There's an x common on the top, so we could pull an x outside the bracket. So I'll just write that here. Pull the x outside the bracket. Shall I pull a 3 out? Yep, let's pull a 3 out. Okay. And that would mean that I'd have to write this rather than just 2. I'm going to have to write that as a 6 over 3. That's still 2, but I can now pull a 3 out. And then I've got a bracket, and I'm going to have x plus 1 to the minus 2/3. Minus, and I've got a 6 in there now, lots of x plus 1 to the third. That's fine. Close the bracket. So I've pulled out and put a bracket because there's several terms, a couple of terms. I've pulled out the x here, and so, but there's an x squared there, so there's an x in here still, isn't there? When we double check on the expansion, that will give you x squared, yeah. And this will give you the x times 6 will give you the minus 6x, yeah, with the minus. Over v squared, so this will be x to the 4. So again, because that's a single object times on top, I can just put that with the thing there, and now I can cancel. So let's do that there, and cross that and put a 3. So dy dx then, I better put it here just a bit more tidily. It'll be 1, so it's just a bracket then, it'll be x times x plus 1 to minus 2/3, minus 6 times x plus 1 to the third, close bracket, over 3x cubed. There we go. That's it, that's the answer. You don't need this bracket up here because there's nothing timesing it by. So let's just drop that then, because that's the outer bracket that's become redundant. Alright, and that's the answer. Great, good. So let's move on to the next question now, 22.